All right, so let's review the conjugations of tener and vivir. First, let's talk about tener. Remember that tener means to have, okay? So the yo form is tengo, tú tienes, él, ella, and usted tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, y ellos, ellas, and ustedes tienen. Okay, so remember that tener is also used not only just to say what you have, but also used to state how old you are. So if I were going to describe how old I am, I would use yo tengo, insert the number, and then insert años. So yo tengo blank años. Okay. The verb vivir, what do we know the verb vivir to mean? Vivir means to live. So we have yo vivo, tú vives, él vive, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivís, y ellos viven. Note the difference between tener and vivir. So with tener, you have an ER verb, okay? Vivir is an IR verb. So if you look at the endings of the first, second, third person singular and the third person plural, they're pretty much the same. But in the nosotros and vosotros of each of them, there's only a couple of letters difference. So here we have tenemos, here we have vivimos. That's how I know the difference between tener and vivir is the type of verb it is. So tener, again, is an ER verb, ends in emos. Vivir is an IR verb, ends in imos. And as well as the vosotros form, we have tenéis, and the vosotros form of vivir is vivís. Just a couple of differences between tener and vivir. Make sure you're going over your conjugations and that you know the conjugations for each of the verbs.